Hey guys, in this video of YouTube marketing course, we are going to discuss how to write a description for your YouTube video. So description is a very major part in every YouTube video. If you are adding a description with good amount of words, good amount of keywords, it will help you to rank your particular video. Even it will help you to rank your overall channel as well, right? Now let's start with the first slide and understand that what description exactly is, right? So description is kind of a para which can be added in all YouTube video, and that describes that what is this video is all about, right? So in the description part you can give the context about your video, that what is the topic and what are the things or what are the content you have talked about in the video, right? Here I have mentioned as well that a description is a text below of each YouTube video in which the creator provides viewers with information about the subject matter covered in that video and the context of their video, right? So this is what the description exactly is, right? Now let's start with the topic, basically how to write a description properly, that it can help you to rank your video and even it can help you to boost your YouTube channel's viewership, right? So let's start with the second slide, and here I have mentioned what are the benefits of a good description. So first of all, viewers get information about the topic. So if you are adding the description in your YouTube video, people will understand that what is this video is all about, right? So that is the main aim of adding a description part or the description content. Now the second point is YouTube algorithm understands your content from your description. Yes guys, because if you are adding some keywords, you are describing the topic on your description part, so YouTube will also go through that description part and will get a better understanding about your content, right? So adding description with keyword rich content helps you to rank your YouTube video as well. Then good search results, as I already told you, if YouTube is able to understand that what your content is all about, YouTube will boost that particular content as well, and obviously if it is boosting, it means you are getting good search results. Now fourth point is keywords are targeted. So yes, in the description part keywords can be targeted, and if the keywords can be targeted in the description part, then YouTube will focus on those particular keywords, and if the users or the audience is searching those keywords, then your video might appear in the search results of YouTube. So this is how all the thing works. Now the last point is your audience understand your content. Yes guys, before watching whole video, your audience will get an idea and they will be able to understand the topic, understand the content which you have created, right? Now let's go to the next slide, and this is some tips for your YouTube description. So what basically these are some pro tips which you can use in order to write a good description, right? Which can help you to boost your channel. So the first one is provide keyword and repeat them if possible. If possible, I'm not forcing you to repeat them like just layman people do in SEO. They just keep repeat all these keywords, so you don't have to do that. If possible, you can repeat the keywords, otherwise you can make a good meaningful description with good amount of keywords, right? And those keywords should be searchable. Basically you can add the keywords which people are searching on YouTube, right? Now the second point is YouTube provides 5,000 characters for your description, so utilize this space. So basically YouTube gives you 5,000 character limit in the description part, so obviously you can write as much as you want, or basically you can describe as much as you want, right? Now the third point is describe your video topic and in content the first paragraph. So what people do promote multiple links of the first or the initial part of the description part, and that is totally prohibited, that is totally restricted, right? Instead of that, you need to provide the idea, or you need to describe the topic of your video, right? What is the content is all about, you need to describe in that initial area of the description box, right? Then you can add some not keywords, you can add some URLs or the links where you want your audience to take, right? But if you are just adding the URLs, even not describing anything, you are just using the description box to add the link so that you can take your audience to any another platform, then there is a high chances that your monetization or your AdSense can be suspended. So keep this thing in mind. Now the last point is, after that you can describe your channel. So basically, uh, I have divided this first sentence into two parts. So first you need to describe your topic, right? That what is this video is all about. Then you can describe your channel, that what is your channel is all about, at the end of the description part, right? Where even you can add some keywords as well. I have mentioned that thing as well in the next slide, that you can add some keywords, and those keywords also help YouTube to understand that what is this content is all about, right? Now let's go to the next slide. Some other tips here I have mentioned, that add popular playlist and videos in your description. So after describing your video content, after this, yes, after explaining everything about the topic, you can add your popular playlist, popular videos, or related playlist and related videos, right? Even you can add your social media handles in the description part. You can also add your affiliate marketing links if you are doing any affiliate marketing or want to promote any kind of affiliate links. You can do that as well. That is totally fine. You don't need to worry about it, but you need to do all the things organically. You don't need to be just promote the links and don't give any value at all, right? You can't do that thing in YouTube, right? Now the fourth point is provide timestamps in your long video. So if you have a video like 1 hour, 2 hour, 3, 4, 5, 6, or maybe 10 hours, so in that case you can provide timestamps in the description part. And when you add timestamps in the description part, the timestamps will shown in the video timeline as well, right? So this happens automatically. You just need to provide timestamps in the description part. And if you don't know how to create timestamps, you can watch any video on YouTube. You will understand how to create timestamps, basically how to write timestamps. Then after writing, you just need to copy and paste that timestamp in the description box, and that timestamps will automatically apply in YouTube's timeline, video timeline. Now the last point is, you can add 2 or 3 hashtags at the end of the description. Yes, if you are adding 3 hashtags, those hashtags will show with the title of your video in YouTube player. Whenever you are opening the video, you will be able to see those top 3 hashtags of your video. So the healthy number is, you can add 2 to 3 hashtags in every video, right? Those hashtags can be related to your channel, those hashtags can be related to the topic and that particular video, right? I hope you understood how to write a proper description. Now I do have one more interesting thing, and that is, I'm going to explain you how to write description using AI like ChatGPT and Bard or Perplexity, right? So for that, you just need to go to those tool. Like I'm going to use ChatGPT right now, so let's go. So guys, as you can see right now, I have opened ChatGPT. If you don't know how to access ChatGPT, you can directly go to Google and search ChatGPT, and you will land up on chat.openai.com. And here you can basically do the basic sign up like with Google or with your any other email ID. Just you need to do that, right? And when you sign in, you will be able to see a screen like this where you can type over here. So what you have to do is, you just need to write a description. Basically you need to give the command like write a description for my YouTube video using the keywords mentioned below. Even you can ask the tool to add the word limit, like I can modify it with write a description in 500 characters for my YouTube video. So I have described the character as well, like I need 500 characters only. If you want, you can go with 1000 characters or maybe 2000 characters. So it is totally up to you. Like write a description in 1000 characters for my YouTube video using the keywords mentioned below. Now I need to provide the keywords so that it can understand that what is this topic is all about, and this tool will then provide me the good description with those keywords into that description, right? So what you need to do is, you might be using tags, right? So what you can do is, you can directly copy those tags and add it here, just paste it here. So these are the tags, this is the command, and now just need to enter it. And after examining these tags, or this is kind of a keywords, right? So after examining these keywords, this chat gpt tool, AI tool, will provide me the best description, as you can see here. So this much long description it has provided me. So if I open word counter, you'll be able to see this provided me around 1470, 1400, around 1500 characters. So I asked him for 1000 characters, but 500 characters are extra. So if you don't want it, you can like write it is too long, make it in 100 characters. So you can do that as well. But if you like it, you can directly copy it and paste it in the description part of your YouTube video, like here, right? Just paste it. You can do like that, right? So you can use other keywords as well, which you are using here, which you are using in your title part. So you can use those keywords and ask your AI tool to write a good description with those keywords in it, right? So this was a pro tip. You can use this as well. I hope this video was helpful for you and you like this video. If you do so, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. Also make sure you are sharing this video or the whole course with your needy friends who want to learn YouTube marketing and want to master this art of YouTube marketing, right? So with that said, I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.